Hi students, hope you are fine there. Once again, all are warmly welcome to 9th Standard English Classroom. As students are concerned, in English, many discourses are there. Can you tell me some examples? Profile, diary, notice, news report, letter, etc. Among all these discourse, which one is easiest for you? Absolutely right. Profile. As you told, profile is a simplest discourse. Even the average student can get maximum mark in profile. Most interesting thing is that profile is a frequently asked question in your question paper. How the profile question asked? You are asked to write a profile of any person, but some hints are given. Using these hints, you have to make a profile. Look at the profile question here. Prepare a short profile of Nisha Punjabi. Some hints are given there. Can you read? Birth, Lucknow, India. Type of writing, freelance. Education, Masters in Business Administration. Employed at the Lucknow Times, daily magazine of the Times of India as freelancer. Blogs at Shimmering Sunshine blogspot.com. And the last one, the Rise, award-winning story in sports category competition held by the Children's Book Trust, New Delhi, India in 2001. Then how would you start to write a profile? Look at the profile here. How the profile begin here with a title. What is title here? Nisha Punjabi. Here the question is asked to write a profile of Nisha Punjabi. So the title Nisha Punjabi is here. So you will get 1 mark for title. Remind that you have to write a title first. In this question, Nisha Punjabi is the title here. Okay, then what is the first hint given here? Birth, Lucknow, India. How would you make this hint as a statement? Normally, in the profile questions, many hints are given. You have to make it a sentence, and those sentences will have a paragraph. That's the profile. So, first one, birth, Lucknow, India. How would you start the sentence? We can start with the name, Nisha Punjabi. So, Nisha Punjabi was born in Lucknow, India. Look at the preposition in before the place, Lucknow. So, Nisha Punjabi was born in Lucknow, India. Looking at the next information, we can write the sentence like this. She was a freelance writer. It's very simple one for you. Type of writing, freelance. That means she was a freelance writer. Next one, education, Masters in Business Administration. How would you make it a sentence? Simply we can start like this. She completed her education including her Masters in Business Administration. Clear? How is it? Is it fine? Can you write like this? Once again, she completed her education including her Masters in Business Administration. Then employed at the Lucknow Times, and put a bracket, Daily Magazine of the Times of India, as a freelancer is given as a hint. So we can write like this: she was employed by the Lucknow Times. You may give the bracket again, Daily Magazine of the Times of India, as a freelancer. Next hint, blogs at shimmeringsunshineblogspot.com. Can you guess how do you make it a sentence? Look in this profile. She blogs at shimmeringsunshineblogspot.com. Simply we can write like this: she blogs at shimmeringsunshineblogspot.com. The last information is this: the race. Some information is given here. You can make the sentence like this: The Rise is an award-winning story in a sports category competition held by the Children's Book Trust, New Delhi, India in 2001. Remind that you don't need to add extra sentences in profile. You just make the information as a sentence, or you just change the hints into sentence. So are you clear? So you may write like this way. Then if you write this way, you will get maximum marks in profile. Okay, all the best. Thank you.